Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use the latest Google Gemini Deep Research model for free. Google Deep Research Model is an awesome feature in Gemini called Deep Research that can get you up to speed on pretty much anything. It's like having your own agent. It automatically browses hundreds of websites for you, thinks through what it finds, and whips up insightful, multi-page reports in just minutes. Here's how to get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Then, head over to Google and search for Google Gemini. Click on the official site, it's gemini.google.com. Once you're there, switch the model to Deep Research from the options, and that's it. You're all set. Now, let me walk you through how to use it. All you have to do is type in your research topic and let Gemini analyze it. Then, just sit tight for a bit while it processes everything and puts together your research report.
A few moments later.
And finally, our deep research report is ready, and you can see it right here. Honestly, this is a game changer, especially if you're a researcher or a PhD student. That's it for today's video, folks. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.